Welcome back everyone. In this video, we will create this CRUD operation, MERN Stack CRUD operation, MongoDB, React.js, and Node.js CRUD operation using AI, OpenAI, Opencode AI tool, which is totally free. So look at it is an amazing CRUD operation you can build just in 2 or 3 minutes. So let's check first of all. For example, I would like to insert a new post. So that will be about like computer, like this is AI, and here you can select, for example, that is about technology, and here you can write what is computer, something like this. Create this. So look at our post has been created. Look at the first one, and here the category technology. And if you want to edit this, you can edit it very easy, like computer one, just like this. Okay, for example, let's change the category to business or something like travel, computer, updated. So look at everything has been applied like this, and even the category travel has been changed. Here you can filter based on title, author, or content. You can filter by all these, and also here you can filter here by category or newest, first, and oldest. You can do all these things. So let's, for example, I would like to just search for first. Look at just first post. Let's search based on author now. For example, AI. AI has done just two posts. Let's search based on content like introduce. Introduce. Look at new AI model introduced. Here we have the introduce. It was all about this. And if you would like to search based on business, let's remove this. And search based on technology, you will see just the technology category. Travel, just travel, and business, just business, all categories. And here you can see oldest. Look at these are the oldest, newest, sort by title. You can sort by title also. You can create a new post as we created, and you can delete. For example, let's select this one. Would you like to confirm to delete this? Yes, delete. So we will build this CRUD operation blog post just in 2 or 3 minutes. So let's start. So first of all, we will open an empty folder. After opening an empty folder, right click and open in terminal. So after opening this in terminal, so it will open this folder. Look at YouTube CRUD AI, this folder inside this terminal. So after opening this in PowerShell or CMD, so we will write Opencode. Opencode is the free AI extension CLI tool which you can use and create the projects that you need. I have already made a video on this. You can watch that how to install this. Let's press enter to open Opencode. So it will automatically open this CLI tool for us to build our project. So the Opencode has been opened now. Now what we need to do, so here we have build and plan option. If you press tab button, so it will change to plan. It means that you can generate now a plan. But if you press build, so it will directly build your project. So first of all, we will generate a plan. So to generate a plan, for that we will use, I will ask that let's have CRUD operation using MERN Stack. So we will have CRUD operation using MERN Stack. So let's press enter, or we can, yeah, simply let's press enter. So it will generate a plan for us. So it asks questions for us: simple, users, productivity, inventory, blog post, custom, what type of CRUD operation you want. So let, for example, we would like to have for blog post. Project setup, monorepo, recommended, separates, or type your own. Yeah, the first one which is recommended. And features, basic CRUD recommended with search filter and with pagination, full feature, all the above, plus authentication. We don't need authentication, type your own. So let's come here with search and filter and confirm it. Okay, yeah, press enter to confirm these features, and it will go ahead and generate your plan. So it says, would you like to implement this? So we will change to build plan. Okay, so simply after changing that, now let's write yes, implement it. So it will start implementing this. It will create those folders and the files, and it will do everything for us. So let's wait and pause video until it complete the project, the code. So the project installation completed. It created our project. Now let's go and take a look at these are the structure of our folder, CRUD AI client and server 2 folders. So let's move. Okay, first of all, just come here and look at, we have these files. Now let's open this through VS Code editor. Okay, just come, select folder. Yes, I trust in that. So now let's move, open the terminal. After opening the terminal, let's close this agent. Here I will move to the client, cd client. Now let's write npm run due to run the react okay folder. So it says move to this url for 3000. So this is the front end, look at, and also we can run our server side. Let's take a new terminal and here we will move to the cd server npm start to start the node.js server. So start it and MongoDB connected. That's it. Okay, just come here and yeah. So let's first of all insert a new record. So new post, press this and title first post, author, category, which category it relates, technology, React JS new features, like this. Okay, create this. So look at our first post has been created. If you want to edit it, let's press this and we can just edit it. Yeah, that is it. First post and reacted piecer, open code, something like this, updated. So look at it has been updated and you can filter it. Let's add another one created. So I created these 3 posts. If you want to filter based on business technology, we have just 2 categories, business and technology categories. Look at, so we can filter based on them, like business, like technology, like all categories. And here we can search, for example, React.js. Look at, here we have React.js and here we have React.js. If you search for first post, you will have just the first. It is searching, filtering based on the title and the description. So it was all about how to build a blog post, a blog website using AI model, Opencode. So you saw that it was very easy. You can go through the code and check the code. This is server side and client side, all folders that we have. So it was all about to use Opencode and build a CRUD operation using CRUD operation, a blog. So if you learned something, like the video, comment down, and thanks for watching.